Hello everyone, the much anticipated 400cc inline four-cylinder sport bike from the Honda wing of camp, the Honda CBR400RR, is anticipated to be built shortly. The renowned round bike, the CB400 Super Four, will serve as the foundation for this bike, and it may be equipped with an E-clutch electric clutch system straight out of the factory. But honestly, is this technology really necessary for a sport bike? According to Young Machine magazine, a reliable source of insider knowledge from the Japanese camp, the fabled four-cylinder 400cc full-fairing sport bike is presently in the development stage. This information is based on the most recent drawings. Naturally, the CB400 Super Four's new engine will power this bike in order to maintain and grow its selection. There are currently little details available about the new model. The target demographic of youthful riders suggests that the design will be sleek and crisp, like to the CBR400RR, as opposed to the more straightforward large motorcycles. In terms of power, if you refer to the trend of twin-round headlights, it will have 60 to 70 horsepower. It will share the CB400 Super Four's electronic clutch technology known as E-clutch, which should help riders avoid using the clutch lever. This is just one more fascinating fact. Since this system will add a little weight to the bike, we believe that a sports bike intended for the racetrack may not need it. Furthermore, since there isn't nearly as much need for the clutch on a racetrack as there is in a city, the present quick shifter can easily carry out the same duty there. However, if you consider it from a different angle, the E-clutch system's installation will greatly expand the consumer base, as this model was designed to appeal to young riders who mostly use their bikes for commuting and style. Actually, it could better suit the requirements of an entry-level sports bike for city riding if Honda puts the system on the 500 series models, such as the CBR400R. Well, that's our review today. See you in the next video.